Today we're gonna be installing our step delete kit from Sinister Diesel, and this is gonna give you that custom look on the side of your bed besides running those ugly steps. When installing this, all you need is a 7mm socket because it's all bolt-on, so let's jump into it. All right, so when taking this off, there are 2 bolts on the inside of the bed, and there's 2 more on the other side about right here for this actual step. They're 13mm, but I already went ahead and already did it. Once you get those 4 bolts off, this should just come out like that. And then for the rest of this plastic trim piece, you're gonna have to use a Christmas tree puller, get this little plastic tab out, and then you're also gonna need a 7mm to get this bolt off as well. And then there's little clips on the inside that you're just gonna wanna pop right off. And there you go. And then get your new piece and just pop it right onto the holes. And then you want to go ahead and put the plastic trim piece back on under here. Like so. And then put on your bolt back on this side. And that is how you do it. So if you're looking for a more cleaner look on the side of your truck bed, go ahead and check out these side step deletes at sinisterdiesel.com.